Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here scroll a little bit more down and you'll see the silent mode section, and just to turn on silent mode on your device, tap here once on the switcher, and as you can see here we got the message that your silent mode is on, and also you can just silence media in your silent mode by this way, because the silent mode is that you just mute your notifications and rings, but if you want you can also silence your another media. And also we got with second way how we can do that. You just can, here on the right side of your device you got the two volume buttons. Just tap on one from two of these buttons, but just you should go out from the settings, and here you'll see the bell icon. Just tap here once on this bell icon and you'll see also the message that your silent mode is turned on, and just to turn it off tap here again on this icon, and that's it. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.